Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Chad. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex trading may not be very popular in the country of Chad, and only a small minority of the country's population partakes in the trade. The main religion in Chad is Islam, and globally regulated Forex brokers offering their services to local Muslim investors must make an Islamic Forex trading account available. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Chad can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Chad. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CySEC and FCA-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a send account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. And there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts, with swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. At number 2 on our list is Markets.com. Markets.com was founded in 2008 and is a well-regulated STP broker based in Australia, South Africa, and Cyprus. The broker is regulated by the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors. However, it is also a suitable option for beginners, specializing in trading through Forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodity CFDs, bonds, index CFDs, equities, and ETFs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Markets.com proprietary trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms and over 2,200 tradable instruments. However, you can also upgrade to a professional account if you are a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. Their accounts come with negative balance protection, minimal slippage, and tight spreads. Markets.com also provides their very own knowledge center that delves into traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can also download their trading ebook and use X-Ray for professional news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources that you can use to help you learn more about trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in chat, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in chat on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.